I am Bipin Shah, Managing Director of Anu Pharma Limited, which is a public limited company, and it was incorporated in the year 1960. We are manufacturers of bulk drugs and pharmaceutical raw materials. Friends, our Honorable Prime Minister declared a lockdown on 25th March 2020, and the immediate challenge was how to run the manufacturing site. Fortunately, we are covered under essential drugs. Hence, we were permitted to manufacture right from the day one. The second challenge was to convince the staff and the workers to attend the duty and keep the wheels of production moving. I personally talked to the staff and the workers at the factory through video conferencing and committed to provide the following: sanitization of all the staff members, providing cloth mask to all the staff members, working in the plant by keeping social distancing, pick up and drop facility to all the staff and workers right from their residence, and most important, incentivizing the staff and workers on daily basis. One of the biggest challenge during the pandemic was to reach our products to the medicine manufacturers and to the seaport or to the airport for exports. Friends, as such, transporters were very reluctant to pick up the goods from the factory. We made sure that the goods were dispatched, and for exports, majority of the consignments were sent by air, spending more than double the air freight. During the pandemic, we were fortunate to comply with all the tax payments like income tax, like goods and services tax, mainly because we are a cash rich and zero debt company. Friends, we are pleased to inform you that during the pandemic, we tried our best to send monetary help under our corporate social responsibility scheme, which was mainly used for providing food to the needy people. We would like to have a special mention that we have received wholehearted support from our staff, relatives, friends, and family. Regarding the future course of action in business growth, we will be providing more facilities to the staff and workers for uninterrupted production. We finally advise to the entrepreneurs as well as the future entrepreneurs to take extreme care of all the employees working in your organizations. Friends, please remember the 4M theory of management, that is, man, material, machines, and money. But the most important factor is the man in this theory. Thank you very much.